हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज इस वीडियो में हम क्लास 6 चैप्टर 6 फॉर्मेटिंग वर्कशीट इन एमएस एक्सेल क्लास 6 चैप्टर 6 फॉर्मेटिंग वर्कशीट इन एमएस एक्सेल इस चैप्टर के एक्सरसाइज का सॉल्यूशन देखेंगे। तो उसमें फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है टिक द करेक्ट आंसर। यू कैन मेक वर्कबुक लुक मोर अट्रैक्टिव एंड लेजिबल बाय फॉर्मेटिंग इज द करेक्ट आंसर। The position in which data is placed within the boundary of a cell is referred to alignment. उसे alignment कहा जाता है। The number of styles offered by Excel 2010 is 12. To apply combination of formatting settings, dash dash is used. Theme gallery is used. Okay. So next question, second question is true false. You can change the font of text in Excel. This is true. This sentence is true. The conditional formatting is used to format the data according to only one condition. Again, it's false. You can apply many more conditions. Excel offers 10 number styles to format the numbers. Again, false. 12 numbers hote, not 10. By default, Excel aligns text data to the left of the cell. This is true. General number format, add rupees sign and decimal to display monetary value. This is false. Only one is true, other all false. And one more request, students, thank you for watching this video and like the video, share the video and subscribe this channel for getting all the exercise solutions of your class, right? Thank you. So next question is what? Fill in the blanks. Dash number format multiplies cell value by 100. So percentage number format. Merge and center is used for centering titles over the data. So answer is merge and center. Border. Border can be added to the cells for separating the data from surrounding cells. To control the appearance of numerical data, number formatting is done. Special number format style works with a list and database values. Special. Next is you can control number of decimals that appears with numeric data using increase and decrease commands. Next question, what do you mean by formatting? Formatting means displaying the worksheet in an attractive and more legible outlook. Why do we need to do conditional formatting in MS Excel? If we want to assign certain formatting only when the value of the cell meets the specified condition, then we need to do conditional formatting. Define alignment, name different alignment buttons. So we can align data in different ways to enhance the appearance of your worksheet. And different alignment buttons are left align, center and right align. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, डिस्क्राइब डिफरेंट नंबर फॉर्मेट्स. तो डिस्क्राइब करना मैंने शॉर्ट में लिखा, आप डिस्क्राइब करना बुक में से. जनरल नंबर फॉर्मेट, नंबर, करेंसी, अकाउंटिंग, डेट, टाइम, परसेंटेज, फ्रैक्शन, साइंटिफिक, टेक्स्ट, स्पेशल एंड कस्टम. Why do we need a theme gallery? We can use theme gallery to apply a combination of formatting settings to give a professional look to your spreadsheet. Why do we mean by live preview? When you move your mouse pointer over themes, you can see them previewed in your worksheet. This feature is called live preview. What is the use of border? Border is used to the cells for separating the data from surrounding cells. So this is all this about the exercise of this chapter number 6, and thank you very much for watching this video. अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए और सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलिए. इस चैनल पर आप सभी आईटी प्लैनेट की बुक्स की सभी क्लासेस की सभी चैप्टर्स की एक्सरसाइज आपको यहाँ पे मिलेगी. थैंक यू एंड सब्सक्राइब द चैनल. थैंक यू. बाय बाय.